Is your campus ready to celebrate the dream, or has it faded? You see, before Dr. King was marching, he was a student, but in his marching, he was able to do something unthinkable. He convinced a group of people to walk across a bridge, knowing that opposition, danger, and possibly death was on the other side. But how? He had a vision of freedom, a vision of justice. He had relentless pursuit and tenacity, but he was educated, and he loved. And he stood hand in hand with those that did and did not look like him. And he reached hard and long to pull others up out of their situations. And in doing so, his legacy was etched in stone. My question is your campus ready? It's not too late. This month we celebrate Dr. King and the dream that still lives on.